How Peshawari Chappal is made. Traditional handmade footwear of Pakistan. Hello and welcome. Today, we're exploring one of Pakistan's most iconic traditional crafts, the Peshawari Chappal. It's more than just footwear. It's a symbol of culture, pride, and craftsmanship. Let's take you behind the scenes to see how this masterpiece is made, by hand, with skill, and with heart. History and significance. Originating from the city of Peshawar in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, the Peshawari Chappal is known for its durability, comfort, and unique style. Traditionally worn by Pashtun men, it has now gained popularity all over Pakistan, and even globally. Each pair reflects a rich history and carries forward a generations-old craft. Materials used. To make a Peshawari Chappal, artisans use genuine cow or buffalo leather, durable rubber or tire soles, thick thread and hand tools, buckles or straps for finishing, and above all, patience and skill passed down through generations. Making process. Step 1. Cutting the leather. First, high-quality leather is cut into precise shapes for the upper straps and footbed. Step 2. Shaping and stitching. The leather pieces are softened, shaped, and then stitched together by hand using thick thread. This is done with special curved needles. Step 3. Preparing the sole. Traditionally, soles were made from recycled care tires. Today, a mix of rubber and leather is used. The sole is carefully measured and cut. Step 4. Assembling the chappal. The stitched upper is attached to the sole using strong adhesive and nails. Then, the chappal is pressed under heavy weights for shaping. Step 5. Polishing and finishing. After drying, the chappal is polished. The buckles are attached, and final touches are done. Now it's ready to wear. Final product and cultural impact. The final Peshawari Chappal is not just beautiful, it's built to last. Whether worn casually, at weddings, or even with modern suits, it represents a unique blend of tradition and fashion. From local markets in Peshawar to boutiques in London, this footwear has made its mark. Wasn't that amazing? Watching how much love and skill goes into each pair of Peshawari Chappals truly makes you appreciate the craft. If you enjoyed this cultural journey, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more traditional craft stories. See you in the next one.